Pergola vines can totally wreck your outdoor space if you're not careful, but with some simple care, you can keep things looking awesome without the damage. So, here's the thing. Vines on a pergola are great for shade and vibe, but you gotta keep them in check. Regular pruning is key. Cut back any crazy growth that's starting to choke the beams or hang too heavy. Make sure you're training the vines properly by tying them gently to the supports so they grow where you want, not just everywhere. It's smart to check for any signs of rot or damage to the wood, especially near where the vines cling. Use clean, sharp tools for pruning to avoid hurting the plants or your pergola. Also, keep an eye on moisture levels. Vines love water, but too much can make the wood soggy and weak. If you notice any nails or screws getting loose because of the vine's weight, tighten them up fast. Lastly, pick vine types that are less aggressive if you're worried about damage. They can still look great without taking over. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola vines is letting them grow wild without pruning, which causes structural damage and wood rot. Fix that by setting a regular schedule, like every couple of months, to trim and tidy things up. Another issue is poor training of vines that end up twisting around nails or wires too tightly, which can break supports or vines themselves. Use soft ties and check them often. Lastly, ignoring signs of moisture problems under dense vine cover can lead to mold and rot. Improve airflow by thinning out thick patches and treat any damaged wood early to avoid costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like pergolas and landscaping. For contractors, it's a solid way to get work from people who really need their skills without all the hassle of finding clients on their own.